Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable show hidden files on your Android phone. So if you want to go ahead and see like the system files and such, it's very easy to do. Swipe on up from the bottom, locate files in here. It's going to be under Google for most people, then files. Then we're going to be brought to this screen. Press the three little lines in the upper left side of the screen. And then go to where it says settings. Scroll on down, and here's show hidden files. Just check mark this on. Show files are used to run Android and apps. So if you have that turned on, you can go ahead and see the files on your phone now. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.